Hi, hope you are well. So today we will learn how to send any channel access to another email. So this is my channel. I want to send this channel access to my another email, or if you are my client to send me channel access to me. So I want to share this Gmail. So you can share me with this Gmail. Also, I will show you using this email also. So we want to share this channel on this on this Gmail. So we have to do first click here. First of all, you have to look here. Is your channel showing or not? If you are not, if this channel are not showing, so you can switch account and set this channel to your present channel. So here I am. So you have to click here. Okay. After clicking this, you will see the setting option. Click here, setting. You will show the Google. I mean, the channel dashboard, background dashboard from Google. So you can see here the channel manager, add or remove managers. So simply click there. Okay. Okay. Here, click on manage permission. Okay, it will ask you to verify your channel. So I just click on there. If you need one, if it asking for verifying, please complete it. Then click again on manage permission. Here you will see your primary account, primary Gmail, where you created the YouTube account. So we have to do a share. So we have to click here, invite new users. So after click here, we have to copy this email address, or I will send you the email address to send me. If you are client, you can use this email address to send me your channel. Okay, here we will paste this. Okay, click submit. Okay, you can do it for multiple people, or also you have to select here role. Click on role. If you don't need to send it as owner, if you want to transfer your Gmail or access from your another Gmail, you can share it as a owner. But for work from another people, you just click on manager. So next time you will not face any problem. So click on here. Okay, click on invite. Your channel invitation link will send to this Gmail. Also, I am seeing my phone. There is there is the notification. If you want to use for your personal or transfer your channel, so we have to click see this Gmail. So let's see on this Gmail. Okay, you can use any browser, Safari or something. Click on simply Gmail. Okay, here you will show the my channel is name was Jane TV. So click on there. You will show the invitation link. My internet connection is too slow today. Okay, okay. Accept invitation. Okay, click on accept. Okay, the Jane TV channel is now on this Gmail, so we have to click on YouTube now. Here, switch account. Okay, you can see this channel, and it's now on available here, so I can manage your channel like this. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you are my client, so you have to don't have to do this next process. Just you have to send the invitation, or if someone need SEO or video editing type service, you can contact me through my Gmail or WhatsApp. It's on my YouTube description already. I also provide service on Fiverr. Okay,